I finally opened up my mailbox and there was this much mail in it. It has to be from the previous owner. I'm going to go through it and see what's mine and what was his. But these packages are everything that I ordered, so let's open them. I think my mom sent this here. It's a pink sheets because my bed is really, really thick, so I need deep fitted sheets. A sheet for my upstairs workroom bed. Oh, this is for ashes for my fireplace because I've been running a fire for 3 days straight. Thank you, Mommy. Deep pot. I'm pretty sure. Oh, our bikinis mixed up on Depop. This one's cute though. I'm not mad at this. I don't even know if one of my giant tits will fit in this, but we'll see. I'll tell her if she wants it back. I'll ship it back to her. Here's another Depop package. I'm trying to stock up on bathing suits for summer because summer's coming up, okay? Ow. Ow! I just sliced my finger open. Oh, fuck. Because I used the knife the wrong way. Ow! That's good. That's healthy. I would have, like, cut a whole artery. Oh, there's no arteries in your finger. Ow! Hold on, guys. Anyways. The show must go on. Oh, this one's so cute. I'm struggling and I don't want to get blood on it. This is so cute though. But it's like boy shorts. Boy shorts always make the ass look good. This top, definitely taking the pads out of it, but it's brand new. Oh, I'm still bleeding. That's good. Wait, what the fuck? This is from my mom's ex-boyfriend. They're friends forever. My mom's a G like that. She can be friends with her exes. I can't. What did he send me? Oh, new slippers for my new house! Oh, let's stop it right now. He's so cool. Oh. I have to text him and say thank you. Oh, wow. What a good ex-boyfriend. Mom? Catrice Cosmetics sent me something. They hit me up in my DMs asking to send me some products. Card? And then what they send? Oh, a lip liner? And Kiss Balm. That seems like actually a really pretty color. It's like a mauve. And then a peptide lip tint. Ooh, I actually want to try this right now. I'm just going to use the bloody napkin. Why not? It actually feels really good. Oh, thick. It's vegan. Like, smells good. Doesn't really smell. Like a little fruity, maybe? And then under eye brightening setting powder. This actually looks really cute to keep in my stripper bag. I love little products like this. And then under eye brightener. I'll try that out too. Be perfect because I'm pale right now. Thank you, Catrice. Yeah, that's everything. I'm going to find a Band-Aid.